Hello everyone, good evening. चलिए देखते हैं. Now let us see for US30. Okay, so US30 respecting all the historical trend lines, market doesn't move on its own mode. It follows the technical levels. See how the beautifully technical levels got respected and we got these successful trades. Okay, so for now US30 similarly like NAS 100 is having a historical trend line. Okay, see historical trend line is coming for us for the US30 also, so we can have a sharp spike with the consolidation. Okay, so for now the support level intact at the level of 29177. Okay, so I'll take you to the intraday and small frames. Let us go to our frame. See, it's the trigger formation, so we have to see for this these levels of resistance 2993 29933 and swing resistance level of 30140. If we are going above 30140, then it can be somewhat a small bullish spike, okay, or a short of for a small rally, for testing this last zone. Okay, and as if we are getting this rejection from the level of 30140, then we can uh, get a decline further, testing these levels of 29177 and 28408 on the lower side. Okay, so we'll be trailing our trades with the stop losses. All right, so this is all the thing that we have for US30 for now, and you can just take screenshots of these levels so that you have some accuracy in playing level to level and taking some positional trades or doing some scalping for making some good bucks. Okay, but yes, do use the uh, trailing stop loss in your trades, because it is very important to save the money. Market was there and market will be there. We have to maintain our sustenance in the market. All right, so this is all about US30 for now, and just take the screenshot of these levels or note down these levels so that you can play level to level and make some good trades. Okay, notice for the price action, I'm going to form a new playlist for the price action and the candlestick patterns and what is the definition of candles, some basics regarding the market. I'm going to put that video in a short time. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Okay, and yes, stop loss, yes, you got it, just remember it. Okay?